I'm going to show you how to cancel a Google Ads account, and it's quite simple. First, log into the Google Ads account. Once you're in here, go to the admin tab and go to preferences. Once you're on this page, go to where it says account status, account active, click on that drop down. And if you're an admin on the account, you'll see this option here where it says cancel my account. Click that and then click cancel account and you are done. Now, is this reversible? Yes, you can reverse canceling an account by simply clicking on this button, reactivate my account, and you may have to go through a CAPTCHA, and then boom, it's active again. So it's that simple. So what does it mean to cancel an account? Well, this is not deleting an account. As I just showed you, you can always reactivate it. So it's not like the account goes away. But canceling the account is a signal to Google that you don't plan to use it in the future. When an account is canceled, you can't run any active ads in the account. And also, Google will automatically cancel accounts that haven't run ads for a certain period of time. I think right now it's the last 15 months. If they haven't run ads during that time, then Google will just automatically cancel the account. As part of the canceling the account, you could also request a refund of any money that you've paid into the account that you haven't spent yet. So for example, if you preload funds into your account, haven't spent those, you could request a refund as part of canceling your account. Now, this might also be something that you'd want to do in a situation where you're dealing with Google Ads suspension, because what will happen sometimes is that people will have multiple Google Ads accounts without intending to or without realizing. Maybe they had one in the past for this business and they created a new one for this business, things like that. And then that can cause issues with Google's system because Google may see multiple accounts that may look suspicious to them. They may flag that. They might flag it under circumventing, under a multiple account abuse, things like that. And so as part of appealing that with Google and explaining what you plan to do moving forward, it may be worthwhile at times to cancel accounts and to explain to Google that you've canceled it, that you don't plan to use that account in the future, and that can be helpful as part of the appeals process to get another account that might be suspended reactivating. So I hope that helps. And if you have any questions about canceling accounts or Google Ads policy or Google Ads in general, reach out through StubGroup.com. We'd love to help.